Department of Automobile Engineering. I am Dr. Motilal, Head of the Automobile Department in KCG College of Technology. The Department of Automobile Engineering in KCG College of Technology started with the vision of achieving academic excellence in engineering, technology and research by providing unique educational experience which caters the needs of the society. Our department has excellent infrastructural facilities, spacious classroom, state-of-art laboratories, unique research facilities. Our facilities have rich experience in teaching, industries and research. To enhance the technical skill for the students, every semester we will be conducting the value-added programs according to the demand of the industries. Our KCG racing team comprises of budding students who are pursuing their graduation from diverse teams with a unified dream of designing and fabricating the best student Formula car.
I am Shweta from the Department of Automobile Engineering in KCG College of Technology. Our college provides immense support for female participants in indulging different projects like go-karts. I am a part of this Inferno racing team. We have participated in different competitions like BFKCT, in which we won the overall championship in 166cc category. And we have also won different prizes in different streams like innovation, endurance, engineering design and acceleration. Putting it in a nutshell, I feel extremely happy to be a part of our team and being a student of KCG College of Technology.
In Automotive Components Laboratory, students dismantle and assemble the various automobile components like gearbox, clutch, differential in single cylinder and multi-cylinder engines.
In this lab, we were able to dismantle and assemble the automotive components, and we acquire knowledge about various gearboxes such as sliding mesh, constant mesh and synchro mesh gearboxes used in transmission of automobiles. We also understood different types of clutches and its purpose and functions. The interesting part is we could relate it with our theory subjects.
The ever-expanding consumption needs of fossil fuel has urged us to look for alternate fuel.
We didn't only have the opportunity to learn about the national and international fuels and lubricants, but we also had the opportunity to test the corrosion test and the city well test of the lubricants and fuels.
The objective of Automotive Electrical and Electronic Lab is to impart broad understanding of the testing procedure in automotive electrical and electronic system. This course also creates awareness on the real-time application of electronics engineering, information technology in current and future automobiles. In this laboratory, students estimate the engine performance, emission characteristics and combustion analysis using the data orchestration system in both SI and CA engines. In addition to that, the students perform the Morse test, heat balance test and impact of retardation in IC engines. The Department of Automobile Engineering has joined hands with leading automotive components manufacturer Bosch and established KCG Bosch Joint Certification Center. The objective of KCG Bosch Joint Certification Center is to impart training on automotive, electrical and electronic system. We are proud to say that we are the only one in Tamil Nadu to conduct the course on common rail injector and diagnosis using EPS 205. On completion of this course, the participants will be able to diagnose the injection system for fuel leakage, pressure, temperature, etc. with the help of the EPS 205. This will be applicable to both solenoid and piezoelectric injectors, which is used in the common rail injection system.
The KCG Bosch Joint Tech program is organized by Automobile Department, gives us an opportunity to understand the importance of electronics in the modern automobile and enhance our skill through practical training such as onboard vehicle diagnostics, air conditioning diagnostics and fuel injection diagnostics. This certification program will give us the students insight testing the diagnostic procedure of automotive, electrical and electronic systems. makes us a suitable candidate for pursuing entrepreneurship in automotive maintenance and service.
Car simulators. Based training enhances the notice driver to train on different terrain and different atmospheric conditions. Car simulator is used to improve the driver training and the driver education, which has complete driver communication system to make a skilled and better driver. It also creates a realistic experience for the students in a laboratory lab.
The department also owns off-road bikes and cars, which will provide a keen interest for students in learning the design technologies used. Our institution maintains a strong industry exposure with major automobile giants such as BMW, Bosch, Ford, Ashok Leyland, TVS, TAFE, Hyundai, etc. They lend their support by providing vehicles and engines for academic purposes.